Yo, Ashafo, Michemu ina de Bakasa Fidi so. Me and me say your friend Dr. George Donko, me na me da Noble Trustable Clinic, ano. Noble Trustable Clinic, ye de bi draw and ye de say yare bi e di winya, utu anamomba Noble Trustable Clinic. Ye de bi draw be hwa na bibia aye kama ama. We asue no, ya jaba suba de bebre, ya ji the best liver disease treatment center of the year 2018. Best alternative treatment center for heart disease and a most promising herbal center of the year. Oba Noble Trustable Clinic. Aside in dry edema na ebekma oyaria konoso. Ye san chiro nuane a wudi ebeboa wo na ebe prevent yare from say ebeba betina wo. Wa ya share no ye ne ye scan. Ye twa ye ECG. Ye san share labs e wo ya share. Baby bia wo bia wutu anamo ba ayaresa ebe ye wo die. Na yare a yehwe anase yesa no ebi ye brebo mu ohaw kidney mu ohaw na wo stroke nso a betumi to anamo aba wo diabetes awo na ehaw na fibroid na abetina wa wodiem ovarian cyst bema yesi prostate no ayekese o prostate no aye enlarge prostatitis anase wo premature ejaculation utu anamo ba Noble Trustable Clinic ye de bidro ebeboa wo ohaw bi te say hepatitis B ovarian cysts and as a PCOS say eba na akoma mu ohawa Noble Trustable Clinic ye de bibidro NSA ye ba akoma mu oha ye wo ahodo bebre ye wo ebia efa sedia akoma no ne fesuo etie eno ne ye friend structural heart disease eno no embia wakoma no yesi ayekese sradia betita ho na say valve na ewo mu no epono na ewo akoma no mu no ebia ye weak enti emoja no etumi tina akoma no na ma akoma no eye kese na ma akoma no so bon tem utu anamo ba e betunya boa wo hwehwe ye kira kwan a ye wo Banana Inn Abolo Junction baby bia wo bia se wo within Accra wo fa car be circle Tema station Carnation na se Dansuma last stop Accra Salaga wo benya Banana Inn car ho kase wo be so Abolo Junction wo sia frɛ wo number 0244 40 1929 0244 40 1929 and that's 0267 117 666 0267 117 666 and that's 0244 40 1878 0244 40 1878 so we outside Accra so we fa car be circle baby bia wo bia fa car be circle and I say Tema station ubenya Banana Inn car within Accra so ye delivery inti se wo friend so a ye betumi deliver o product no e dia bro baby bia
ayiko enenso nyame abie kwemu obo ade de akyeye yesi yetin kwemu ye wo ade nyina ene nyame enchade yasen hie biem na sede wonim se memini de bia ye no enenso yaba beji adwa ye no ba abeti enkomo pa ba ansa na no mame mawo aha na me mawo akwa bakese pa aha eye home based TV nipedua emu nsem dwumedie ena eye donhwiri wuhwe na nipedua mu nsem dwumedie nso ene dwumedie a memene de bia okofie bie mu a obia de ne eye ni TV ato home base a ohwe etine se wuhwe bia na wonfom ye kra waya de papa ye be wie dwumedie na wasua bebre ebia na ene ni da edikan a wo hwe dwumete yi bi yesua nneɛma bebree ɛwɔ program yi so na obi anhwɛ bi enu ne ho da obi anhwɛ bi enka sɛ o chima to baby fufuo da wobɛhwɛ wie esan sɛ adesua ɛna woba abesua nti fɛ obi na ɔno nso enka ho ene nyinaa yɛnka bom nene nipadua emu nsɛm dwumedie so deɛ yɛba besua no ɔno nso ensua bi medin ɛde Otieku Banking Collins na dwumedie me ne me nua bɛma Paul Dalton ɛna abibia yɛdi ho chiame a yɛde brɛw Dr. George Donko ɛda Noble Trust Herbal Clinic ano ɛnɛ ɔne yɛba besua bebree enti no yɛde aseda kɛseɛ ɛma Noble Trust Herbal Clinic Noble Trust Herbal Clinic Noble Trust Herbal Clinic ɔsi experience the true cure oyare no ebedwane oyare no ebekɔ wahoɔden ebɛba ama abribia wegyina brane enti no sɛ wonim obi na ɔyare anampo wankasa ɛna ahododo a na baabi a wode wani ɛbɛkyerɛ ɛyɛ baako pɛ Noble Trust Herbal Clinic ɛhɔ ɛne ɛde abibiduro ɛne hamama neɛhini ɛna ɛbɛboa ama wo nso no wenya wapɔmuden mepatwo bebree Noble Trust Herbal Clinic ɛyɛ ayaresabea yare bia yɛtimi ɛsa ɛwɔ hɔ no mu Dr. George Donko ɛyɛ obi a wokyɛ sɛ wanyambrɛ ayɛ research afa wo ha ne ho enti no wokɔ a wobɛnyamrɛ nso ɛtimi ɛne wo akasa ahwɛ wo ama wenya wapɔmuden Noble Trust ɛde eno bebree aba edwa so na mɛka miɛnsa akyɛw sisi a ama wapɛ bi ekyira kwan akoma herbal mixture ɛyɛ eduro baako a free Noble Trust akachi na akoma herbal mixture ɛne akoma eduro a yɛse ɛbɔ akoma ho ban ubia wakoma ɛhaw wo hɔ a wote sɛ wakoma mu ɛkasa aya wo hɔ a wankasa sɛ de wakoma ɛbɔ no aya wonte ase mepa kyɛw ɛmbɔ yi a na ɛyɛ akoma herbal mixture ɛna wobɛnom ama no aboa wo ebia wonima unni akoma yare bia wobetimi anom bi ama wetimi edi esi akoma emu haw bia ekwan akoma eba mehya ekyire no yewo noble woman eno nso ekoma yenua ma enum nyina wo yoba na wobunsa na wobre wobunsa aya emogya no eba bebre ebro so a wohia noble woman wobenum bi ama na boa pa na wobekɔ efichi ama wakɔ efichi ye pa ama wakɔ na sodwe mu noble woman eye true pipi na to oba sanso na yewo prime herbal booster ene wo pedro eye immune booster papa ebetinya boa woni pedua no akwa ne nyina na eye prime herbal booster eye dro tatahwe na wono bi nso a ema eye nkwamo ano woni pedua no nyina etimi eye edwuma sede ese prime herbal booster ena ebreyim yenom bebi nato ubenya bi ewo licensed chemical shop pharmacy shop anampo herbal shop biemu ato na wetimi atobi esiwa mabusua mu bia anom amaneni age me semre meko Paul Dalton ho na na me no edi nkomo me bisa ne kwan so Dr. George Donko enso anu sei baby so mu nyina kwan so ne ato aso doctor ete sei
yankopa
amode wo pa ene ebesua di o sa mate all right for
yes sir
edeneko
de nyame ase eden so nyame de na chen yo we no mu ni me se debia doctor new nyama o chechere enti no yen pa ba e giant na so pa na this week go dance here last week yen dance here
one day dance
na and then 3 days
okay
and na minya dance here ke se pa from man bi o se e fe no John Kujo
aboni din
John Kujo o se mi body dey fe no John Kujo o taifa o taifa ni California
wow
and you nim da be hunu your taifa ni California
okay
na o se no stroke nya mass stroke mass stroke ni wo
kasa ne endugie mu hawo
ya almost na kasa ne mba ne ade no wu se omo ne ama bi ekofom kaka o kasa na ne refi se sentence na me bubu o kasa mo chena oh ba doctor wi o se o kasa mo kaka chena na o kasa mo chena na ebedo nyime na ne refi one ne bon komo je ne ye ka apomudi ho asem no no ka we keep yourself etino ase symptoms ni bi no so the problem na onam mu no etino obi na kire no Noble Trust
okay
e no koye na okoye no bi ante ne nkan ya be jama am say last week Thursday ya no kwa na me kokuma ase e na ma ne frɛ me na o se basa Muna muye show no wo bi na me se yen ya. O se boss. E pese me ba, o so pese o ba ha.
Oba show ni.
Oba show lo so.
Wow.
Na oba be di adanse se ono ni ato no yare a wa yare ada ho no wo machin sa. The same problem. By ne the memory na aba back. Body na e fresh. I was start year adwuma. Te say bibia e kama olusu adwuma betre because obi a o adwuma na ye mo oru fi ade ya ka kire ode e be ede ya adwuma enti amanfo nya o yare sa amanfo mo to mo amanfo gedi back their senses no mo strength o yare na wo fi a adanse na e ba no me si say adanse de ba be ka so mo anfa mba nso a me meka enti no wa wo fi a o hwe no before the best program na nkasa me si Noble Trust ewo banana in Abolo Junction and now the program na e ba be course no never doctor number ofa number no a Monday o friend no a obekire ba bi o enisika say sika nkwa na game say doctor and game zinko ni Ghana because squad e pen o ba bi na ya adwuma no ke sika dia akoko o de doctor akoka ho nyina kire no na o ma wo hyehye kama na timi ji wa yaresa they just want provisions that's me call provisions say you also utie bia fa from the Ghana na wonya wa yaresa ni nyina uni a obetima ma oba na obemo oduru kama from the Ghana bra mo oduru kama wankasa wo na hu say ensu papa bi e ba obodi ni mu anya wo na abesa aba enti no obechiche ba ma wa papa mu say enti anya sika se kokukuru 20 million 30 million fa bra
doctor oyobia wayemie pa
wayemie ba wo 30 million person de beche doctor na okoso ya adwuma o si o kai fa bra no ti bi ya research papa enti no afefo adansidi e ho no bebre ho nipa be for na frame this one person be fa no 1111 ti John Kujo California ono and adansidi na mede ma o enti kusu ti adansidi na ni yesua no fa numbers ni be o yare na o yare wachia na wunya yare hwa Noble Trust.
Okay, Paul, you better na ye number no atuja text message.
But wo question bia na se person of register direction na ubetimi e de message no afa WhatsApp and as SMS.
Okay.
WhatsApp and SMS that was 0556 28 99 0556 28 99
numbers are be free be send message
in kwan afa so
okay
o person wo free later on bisa direction as when your doctor we ma throw be o but see agent pa show send me message why
all right and enche bia na ye bo april doctor and then no doctor see ye be sua bibia for diabetes esichire yare ye nuanu nkranfo se secret healer nti esichire yare ne ye ba abesusu hu na esichire aye diedo etimi de o how be emayana ebi ana wo bi mpo na wonim enti no doctor eba be cheche ye mu de ba ene kwan ya yebetimi esifa esi anu kwan ya ade nyina obeka enwasema akire ba che ne so say ye streaming live e wo Facebook ene YouTube enti no de ukọ Facebook a na search Home Base TV wetimi ahwe live e wo Facebook ana YouTube sanso na ene Noble Trust TV enso aba aye platform kesia ubetimi esua de wo so pa e free ene ya de ko ye wie show na ene de aye ye wie a ubetimi ahwe e wo Noble Trust TV platform so YouTube eno YouTube ena ubetimi akọ ye search no na wa hwe we no subscribe na wa ye dey wa share abibia aye kama esua de Dr. George Donko Noble Trust experience the true cure. So there is an experience that we need
yes.
And a cure, a remedy, I hear.
Real solution.
Real solution. Dog, real solution, dear Nene, you bet more everyone has any amount.
You. I am here, say, what can I say in Cranford Frey, diabetes,
sickly.
Me, and I before the friend said, sugar door.
Wow.
Sugar door. Diabetes is big, you know. Sugar door. How you have sugar door. A door, okay. It's a sugar in the bar, a citry.
All right. It's a citry, a memo, a kind of thing. Sukri
do.
Yeah.
But by baby we have you.
All right. Nice fighting. Yes, yeah, no, me bwana. Sukri.
All right. It is a case of you diabetes. And I say a situation yali. A tresse. Ye ni peduano. A situation woman. A duani bi edi bi a situation. Na me fancy akwa akwada na ya sorry anopa. So who mojani na ye digu ade a friend gallon and as a susubie mu a ye obi bi ye friend deciliter ne to say gallon no gallon ye de to ensa no eno baako ene ye fa eye 1 deciliter na sa 1 deciliter no sugar say wo mu no ne dodo no wo de gu teaspoon mu a say ye teaspoon baako pe and as 100 grams.
Okay.
And no na a chance of nipeduano a normal. Nessa cover say a bro 100 grams per deciliter now. Nature say we stitch was a citrino a cost and the more na econo, the more na a chance say it does a citriano a cost pa a bit more far with the Indian and shut down cost 3 into your cast a citriaria and rich a citrino away nipeduano. Said ya will nipeduano. E use a situation and the bois was salesman or sales with me the year, you know. The new one said the do one ever bro certain limits. And I say, Susubi,
he say a passer a year Subiano. I just say, oh, yeah, and your diabetes.
Into a pamoka cry. Your 3 potocas of your 3 Freddy be pre diabetic.
Pre diabetic.
And I say, I just say, oh yeah, okay, can't go.
I say, oh, preparatory stage. I will can't come. Okay.
And they want diabetes stage Nankasa. Okay. Now, about diabetes now, you want 2 major groups and answer 2 types. Okay. You want 2 types. You want diabetes type 1 and you want type 2. Type 1 is a year a chimkwala. And it say, one kwala femuno. Answer na kwala nukra obenye bedroom fear do in 16 years. On one case, the pancreas no a year, ni peduana kwa bia, a shay ye nufu, ni fano, any a year funu there what, sorry, a shay nufu, bonkum,
lefts,
pancreas,
okay,
our baby, a ye funu, a one, a shay ye funechi.
Oh, okay.
A one a pancreas nation. The pancreas, no, they insure a friend insulin.
Okay.
The sa insulin, a one a sugar now. When it were diaco nipeduamuno. Insulin no I want to say messenger. Messenger. Into the other say a baby with cells will cell door. Your fire cells are individual cells in a way muna. And will be to say a puno. Into their insulin a say a BSA a puno. Into a bia net a citrino et me a cells no emu. Into a rumwa. Now, boy cells, my cells, now you swear citrino as energy and as a fuel.
Oh, yeah, insulin.
Insulin, no, Juma, a no. Nasako Bassa, insulin, and to me be cells no, neponona, a citrino, and to me rat cells no. It's a banasana, not a citrino, above a dorsal,
not a block you, baby.
Above a tie, you nipple, a tie emoji. Na cells need to use. The Banasana, Obuka Kosuno, na a was a sugar and can say, oh, Mujamu, na a bro, Nidwana, Nipeduan,
say, and to me, MP,
to me, and rat cells in
a pruning,
a pronoun cost cells, not cells known to me, burning as fuel.
Okay,
it was a walk, Mujamu, the Pia. Now, I don't know, or what type 1 dear, or want to me produce. Insulin be cry if you say oh pancreas no I say
cry
I say
type 1
for no I say into want to produce insulin
okay
into and no ya type 1
and
a type 2 for no so type 2 for no
diabetes type 2
I want to produce a bit to me produce insulin
okay
now produce insulin now a bit insulin no a 3 major characteristics. Your characteristics are to say nsɛnkyerɛnne
anaasɛ
nisu
ya
nsu ɛwɔ suban mmiɛnsa
okay
ɛwɔ saa type 2 foɔ no
sure
okay nti saa suban mmiɛnsa no sɛ obi wɔ hɔ ɔbɛproduce insulin all right na mmom no insulin no ntumi mbie cells no ɛpono no
okay
the cells no resist insulin
insulin no
nti insulin no ntumi mbie the cell door no
Okay.
na sugar ntumi nwura mu ɛno ne yɛ one group
one group ekuo baako no
ekuo baako no ɛna another kuo no sɛ ɔmo yɛ very sensitive insulin sensitivity nti saa afɔ no nso deɛ etumi bie cells no door no all right na mmom wobɛdi sugar kakra bi pɛ na afei de sugar no aboro so aboro so wodi aduane a sugar wɔ mu kakra bi pɛ na aboro so but wɔndi di a sugar wɔ mu a wo insulin no ɛnyɛ ahoɔden tumi bie door cell door no na ne tumi use sugar kakra ɛwɔ mu
okay
ɛna yɛwɔ nkurɔfoɔ bi nso deɛ a ɔmo deɛ ɔmo insulin no ɔmo produce all right but ɛnyɛ enough
ɔmo deɛ no
third
group no
ɔmo deɛ no ɔmo produce nanso ɛnyɛ enough
Ɛnyɛ
yɛfrɛ no insulin deficiency
oh
they are deficient ɔmo produce but ɔmo deɛ no so koraa
ti ɔmo insulin ni sua
esua
okay sisi a yɛn groups three
groups no ɛna within type 2 no nso yɛsan so yɛwɔ other forms
ɛwɔ type 2 ni mu no
emu anso
okay
yɛwɔ deɛ ɔmo frɛ no gestational diabetes gestational diabetes ɛno no yɛ ɛno no deɛ ɛma nko ara na ɛka ɔmo
okay
ɛno ɛma a ɔmo afɛ afuro between age 24 weeks ɛkɔ akɔsi around 34 weeks no biribi tumi ba a ɛma ɔbaa fɛ afuro a ne placenta anaasɛ ekyirɛ adeɛ no placenta no ɛno nso yi nsuo bi
okay
na saa nsuo no sɛ ɛkɔba sɛ ɔbaa no ne pancreas no nsuo na ɛyɛ ɛfɛ no insulin no ɛresist saa nsuo no a placenta no yi a
yeah
ɛtumi kɔɔ so saa gestational diabetes ɛti sɛ sɛ ɔbaa fɛ afuro a ɛsikyerɛ ɛwɔ no ne ho no ɛbɛdɔɔso the body try to produce excess sugar in attempt sɛ sugar no bɛtumi across placenta no na akɔ akwalaa no ho akɔ feedi akwalaa no with fuel ɛyɛ sugar no
okay
nti etumi akɔ akwalaa no ho akɔ feedi akwalaa no na aboa akwalaa no ma na etumi anya sugar no ne deɛ anyi ɛwɔ
akora ne nso hia esikyire kakra
kakra basa kɔba sɛ ɔbaa no insulin no resist placenta no hormone na produce na ɛde saa ɔhaw a ɛfrɛ no gestational diabetes no ɛde aba
okay
ɛna yɛka sɛ ebi wɔ hɔ a ɔmo deɛ no ayɛ te sɛ diabetes no ɛduru nsusua bi a between normal and abnormal a yɛfrɛ no pre-diabetic no
okay
nti ɛwɔ soro kakra ɛno nso a ɛnhyɛ da ne fam bebree nso ɛno yɛ pre-diabetic ɛna yɛwɔ diabetes no nso ɛwɔ nti yɛwɔ diabetes na kyerɛ sɛ nipa no wayɛ fully diabetic wobɛcheck ne sugar de bia na ne sugar no wɔ so diabetes no wɔ ɛna obi wɔ hɔ a ɔyɛ in between ɛna obi nso wɔ hɔ a ɔno deɛ ɔnyam na wanya saa diabetes no ɔwɔ wie pɛ ebi wɔ hɔ a bebree na ɔmo wɔ wie pɛ na it will normalize
oh wow nti na sɛ obi ɛfa yɛ funu a the likelihood anaasɛ bomu pi sɛ obetumi enya ɛyɛ diabetes gestational one
yes
wanhwɛ wɔ esikyire die mu yie a
ɛne wɔ lifestyle mu yie a
okay
etumi ne di
dɔ groups mmiɛnsa nyinaa emu deɛ na wohwɛ a ehu paa
okay nti deɛ ehu ne nyinaa ehu
ne nyinaa ehu
because one management is about management and treatment and how to fix the conditions associated with the diabetes. Diabetes it is factual say so obi get diabetes it may affect your knee said your knee edi ho ade eno ye one enso it may affect said your so ade it may your nine it may ana your nine your nsa it may nam 83 obi ho kra senka obetumi afford the first say ontumi mfo
ase anansi achill
o for the ontumi for the ebi nso ho a because of diabetes no sugar no be excess when the pedum na spill out into the urine.
Efra Johnson.
Na epiefa ojunso. The reason is that bibi wɔ yɛ mu a yɛfrɛ no kidneys. Na saa kidney no e filter enwoma efi ni pedium na esɔne so. Nti esɔne so saa na sugar any other protein no esusu enough a nkani kwan sɛ kidneys no allow sugar no ma litimi fa emu pie. Nti sɛ fa mu pie pɛ na kyerɛ sɛ kidney no nso onya ɔhaw. Nti sɛ wonya diabetes no want treating here and that's why managing here na sɛ bɛyɛ excess wɔ mu a etimi pie through odwunso. Nti saa afɔ no wɔn sɛ ɔmo kokogina baabi na odwunso a ɔbɛkɔ ɔba no na ntatea ebe fun ho.
Na is nsuo na yɛ sikyira na.
Esikyira
is sugar solution sa. A wo kahwe a wobɛti
ɛda wobɛti sɛ ɛde. Wobɛti da wo. Ti saa afɔ no wodwunso gu baabi a wobɛkɔ ɔba no na dwunso no esi mu abɛfum ɛyɛ ntatea ɛbɛfum ho. Ɔpɛsɛ ɔno nsuo bebree no ɔsan so adwunso bebree. Saa afɔ no mo dwunso bebree. Ɔbɛtumi nya skin itching. Wobɛhu sɛ ɔwan ne skin no ɛkeka no.
Onye hwe onko wura bebia
dabi odun so bebre no so esan so tumi ma no nya chronic infection
away
na se
okay
titru wo ema fam ema tumi nya chronic infection e wo na se etumi so lead into
eye crankro emu how bi kwa ne nkon
and your friend chronic it's just say all the time is infection all the time infection and here another science we say they be no na nipa no why say why dry fatigue the bibi o bibi kakra wa bread
and that's what bread
and also e can signs of diabetes
and na ya na ni ha
bibi kakra na ni ha and then wa bread energy level no above form it's a sign of diabetic and that's a science apart from science so it may lead into other complications.
Say it be complications how big how from
or how from it may back as a result of diabetes. Apart from side effects medication amount for fact or munya no diabetes in itself no so it may lead into another problem. A bit to say so being diabetes no sugar no cause sugar no your liver no your brebo
no
say who say a sichira aba wo nipadwam bebre a brebo no tumi dane a sichire no eye bibia e fe no triglyceride another form of fat. Inti say de bia no srade sugar no e ba brebo no will keep converting a sichire no into triglyceride
and no ne bra liver no brebo no one more thing and betimi perform that function and I say juma Inti continue say turn sugar into triglyceride now. A citrate a fat triglyceride near fat na sa srade no etumi chechire cells no ehun anasa etumi kata ho is a coating
inti say coating cells na sa o pancreas no produce insulin no entumi be cell door no
emma
sugar to me red cells because the cells has been coated with fats.
It's right there.
It's about the sugar no, it keeps piling up with the pedium, but the liver has another wonderful function.
Liver no. Bravo.
The function is
okay.
So who say or sense say the pediano fat na woman abedoso or nanga say produce more fat na abedoso. No, no, I use to process be a pheno lipogenesis. Just a collection of fats together. Of no anchor fat nina, not dear guno.
Sir, no idea guno.
Now fat ne eme dosu e wo lipid. Inti say a yes na brebona strade na say wo brebona and also na ebe dosu. Ne a lady into fatty liver.
They say one yet diabetes Eddie or how brebo. It's like Papa you'll be uncle community.
Now aside that room, organs never muno. Omo ye adwuma as a collective body.
So they interrelate.
And then yes, precisely interrelate. Inti se brebo no who say Sradena bedos na say etwi sradena ba no ho na ebeye fatia. E wo say brebo no function bia e break it down toxics and waste and as chemicals e won pedum. Inti e break it down na e dia ma kidneys no say kidney no enso ne so.
Kidney na ye
asabo. Inti say e break it down say the ma kidney na kidney enso ne so because sradena be kata brebo no huntinu brebo na ho de na de be breaking it down no low and that's a weak say weak sana entumi break all the chemicals no down here inti say chemical no fra insuo na ekogura kidney no mu a na asha say damage kidney no kakra inti diabetes no na lead into kidney trouble.
It's a diabetes, they say organs.
I say liver, say liver, no, I say kidneys. So now, you just say it to me affect your command. So
it means a hakuman.
Say akuma diabetes.
Hey, boy,
me,
okay. Say, Sadian, you can triglyceride now, but want to convert it into convert to sugar. Sadian, I don't know what running cholesterol profile test and as a lipid profile test account one of the elements in it triglyceride one day you share no so inti I don't know say sradian be dose one na sradian na build up wo inti no and I remember sugar so say sugar chow baby a etumi quality and I say echichire inti say bobo inti e bobo sa na etumi ma enti na wa akoma no ho no na asha say eno nso mano kadum nti moja na nka say akoma no bo ebe flow with ease no ebo entimi flow na asha say wunya diabetes akoma mo ha so etimi kra ko adwen mu brain no nti leading to be a friend diabetic neuropathy nti ebe koti around the veins na wo adwen mu te koti around eno so a ebe to leading to stroke.
Not if the dog say I can't command nyanya problem like say we be man na o yanya problem akonuzuru no automatically na say
na wo dudu ompem
asichire nye ene dog asichire dey say jaide
asichire na ye problem no
na ade ba ko we ene man ko timi ekose ehu pa si ehwe ni eba okay.
So yeah, di kan I'm say doctor can baby pen say yeah organs no.
Yeah.
Say emu ba kunya hawa. E kwa ko kan organs ni nyina na me boa. Akumanya e kan brebo e kan asabo no e ka den e ka kan ni nyina harawa ni nyina.
Yes.
It your organs dey very imperative ade was say
yeah
kompa. E ko say nka e ka go say ko washing bay na de bia ye woro.
Overhaul.
I see.
Okay, yes, your dog. I am requesting obinya diabetes. A crow a yena a chance and a go.
I dear back will say, who say you can say so when you have diabetes, it may affect your bread bone. To me, said I'm explaining the process. Bread bone function back when they say bread bone has over 500 known functions. It's the function back when they say. A generative BB, and I say creative BB, a friend of coagulant. It is our coagulant, a buana, emoja etumida. At the same time, no, by emojana, emoja near one groups. You have 3 major groups. You have 4 major groups: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. And sana your cell blood fractions. Fraction there. And you see, bet you go into details. Now, you share platelets, no, and no baby trawa a quote a form of network. Network. Surface maybe I did a chow no, not a modern into me uzi. So we obi a we diabetic and as what diabetes because liver no loses have potency bit me and supply platelets no with energy no. So we try and to supply platelets with that energy. It's a good to inform us our network no a chrono connection. And you for me people say immediately uzi and I say crocra to a Nesano na a yet. Into every how one say a chrono a situation did a chronomusana say a maya it's me and I to me pro every crample it's me trap.
Because of sugar.
Sir, because of sugar. And I want a baby a sugar will be also. Monsieur, we are cocoa crano, the sugar gumbe bread.
Sugar crowded to and what mean nanny and not nice are done is you, sir. Doctor, you see, dear pa. Now, your best sign abba. Now, I have a piece of who may do me and say be account. If we are, maybe for nice now. I shall fall with the ye beg Cosso Adam as I say, Mugusua Moshe. The Petria emun sem duty and now Oshi. Diabetes and a topic and a treaty. Dr. Chain be pray. If you are not now about the share, Bunsubina, whichever a woman. If I told be bridge made Noble Trust Herbal Clinic. And now, as you are now, it's me at the bro, memory de Pia. Now, Noble Trust essay ope a dupa anoma. I be do be bria be jaswa, o call a year herbal shop, Stimana, pharmacy shop, be a Malbina, Ibiato. And way a year prime herbal booster. Noble woman, and I say, Akuma herbal mixture. When a Numian son make come for a man, who be a whoop a druato, a bibidua noma, a bebow. Wakuma and after we oba say women street here on so break unuma a yenobo woman a beboa prime a babu stand there como bia and they say your immune system and say you boost your immune system and my it's me ekutia and one kitty I day or how and then ya a bread the petria into PB extra coin not to a for mammy. Noble Trust echi and your coin a upo michia coins wa a year banana in Apollo Junction. Banana in Abolo Junction, and a Noble Trust, Dr. George Jonko, a so the number, a betuja. Now, wait to be a friend. And check your baby phone lines, Amo, will be our same be a person will be Safa topic, you know. Now, wait me, Ebisa, come on. Make Paul, and I may say, Paul, a war, and say, be a woman. Paul,
yes, sir.
Yen share say, I'm on for any messages be about.
Obi Bisa said, dog, you see, Nipa more accessible. Almost eligible to they have that kind of chance of diabetes.
Okay, so the risk factors. Into your cancer risk factors are and your man you are most likely say well diabetes. Akasifolo has that possibility because you can 3 types of insulin diabetes. Diabetes type 2 you can acquire insulin resistance. Into more insulin resistance. Insulin now pancreas no produce it is not able to pass through the into cell door no enough. My sugar no into and I said I may explain this liver no to me convert sugar into fats. Into some fats na sugar no convert no and no a build up bebre was skin and anything about the now more resistance no to grow fat no but more fat bebre no so fat need to be coated around the cells. Into me also allow insulin say MBA cell door ma a situation to me room into over time no moment me and check it so o may lose weight and as more show when you and did to say carbs ni refined sugar product ni ade ni year e bet me lead into diabetes into fat people and say obese no has that high risk say bet me diabetes.
Your brother John was easily gone. Or say, Obisa say, Obi a 1 year diabetes, no, I check, or say, I deny not check for about 1 to 2 years in the solution or a bit more say, a bit more Saudi Panaya Ramanaba, the normal state of in manner.
Yes. Because Sabano management and treatment of diabetes, there are 2 things involved. But I can say, about one pancreas no manage me produce more insulin. And about constantly say wobɛboa cells no bɛtumi accept more sugar. Nti there are some plant-based medicines a ebetumi de ama wa ebetumi aboa cells no bɛtumi accept more. Ɛne ɛsan so wɔ another plant anaasɛ nnuane bi a wodi a it destroys sugar naturally. Nti solutions wɔ.
Baby say, if someone has diabetes, is it likely for the person to have burning sensations whilst urinating or feel sharp pains in the bladder? Is it a sign of diabetes?
Okay. Into obi wɔ diabetes obetumi feel that sharp pain within the bladder because diabetes no so when you say sugar no shall say spill out through the urine now we develop infection else. The infection when treating here a quite we drink so tram your friend is cystitis. Cystitis. Into no a banisan over a young boy assay. Into obi was condition now. It's me nipality I see you.
No, cystitis no a comma a man.
A common go for money
and no cystitis.
Cystitis. Infection of the bladder.
Okay.
A mouth bladder and a memon so and as a mouth juice of tra and a memon so juice of tra. Into infection of the juice of tra.
Okay.
Okay, this is time find out of lower eastern region. Or two besides diabetes, it's me a hereditary. It means a man, papa, and a generation. And I know, say, is there a possibility so be beating my cats? You know, so no, ABR, me, mammy will be, papa, and Nana will be. My baby, I want to meet him as some area, back to my next generation.
Okay, yes. There will be a friend of genetic predisposition. Genetic predisposition is said, MBA ebusiano. Muina mudi aduane baako mo lifestyle ne baako nti say yare biba ebusuanu mu a mo a mudi say aduane anasa mo lifestyle ne the same thing muina betime yesa aduane yare no let's say koba say baako ana mienu bi omu a omo sesesa dia omudidi
okay
said omo bo omo brafa na etumi ba say yare wa no betime aka other people mo ebusuanu but ono nko ade
ebi kwa na omo abom mu adwa wo baby
nti dia ebi ti say mbia obi a wodi aduane a facts rade wo bebre na wo dia afra ti say beverages ya be energy drinks ya be instead of benu nsuo na wo energy drink wo no wie nso na akwakoda sa ade na edura na jo omo chi no ebi omo chi na wo di kosua awon
everybody do you know?
Oh, what mean everybody?
I sense from.
I sense soon.
Italia.
Correct.
So can
Italia.
I don't know. Everybody and I don't know what that. The ever say, everybody that say, we did not say, one no idea a new come one, and one day woman edda. The sound one a coaty around. Intestine and half a cells no so. But the instead of saying or pancreas no endocrine external part of the pancreas no ebe release is be a friend of proteins ebe boama etimi digest no entimi yes sir into one say bacteria bad bacteria if you intestine abe digest sa aduane no they will digest ya na cause fermentation any gas, any alcohol, any lactic acid. Oh, you. So, I would be the son. Once I said, Bibi Drinker. We do us on, but there was some Bibi Drinker. I am from man, I person you from you may we are good to precise. Tabana, we are Obia Mudidi in that way. You are rich, Obi or family. Obia be the same way. But so we about Obia, oh dear. We now do know the actual word from the woody. You fancy a vegetable see. Oh, a dread of now. When I was at about 6 o'clock, I was with the Diana heavy, they won't leave you. Yes, sir, now. You are every chance you win on this wood there.
A boss says, yeah.
And yes, and
Baba is that question you are the for Diana no one that made me interested in the question. Or say, my man can for more than tougher. Okay, or say, the opposite can and say, yes, my did late because he ain't exercise at late. But say obi did late now and password agree. After they were late, you know, what father said a jubade or coyeno. Enti was in so. Somebody did one you baby at 7. And I was saying I made in term manager because I will not get time to do exercise.
Yeah.
But or I say within that day I will do bank one journal or exercise be obey an journal. So what did I make I say? Or any exercise. And no a bomber than that yes and tamana and I say the same.
Far from it.
Far from it.
And uncle.
Because who share who share medical experts or more sex therapists now. I'm actually saying, who did the heavy crown? I won't be yet. Who did the very heavy? Won't me? I know you is your winch.
It's been performing.
Now, my sister said, when the deals in that old cock, I never told you about
when did you come the war and so yeah. And who did the heavy so I won't be a
so I had the daddy there.
Yes, in between. Yes. And see, the money in fact, and when she and you went to me and what will happen is say, Adriana no ain't mean digested. You know, all the organs away, a year at a given time. Your liver is free 11 p.m. to 3 o'clock a.m. Kidney pick up 3, echo see 4:30, and the kidney pick all the chemicals, all the acid away, ADP, and your colon also carry on from there, pancreas no and that other. Into who did it heavy? Let's say Adrian time we one. Instead of say, and Konipe, you never pick energy now, where did that? None can ever repair no. It will rather have to change and then go and digest the food.
Now, for processing.
And it ain't really so you wake up in the morning feeling more hungry than before.
I told you, okay, say, oh, open say, did you against it the next day? I didn't bet you won't come with the what do you mean here? Because we are there for malabsorption. Just say, if you are not with the nutrients na woman and to be a railroad with the one cold. Into the now, Papa, a Jamaica who go to Anya Bibia, Tifa so be any so.
Why a painting behind on me? Painting behind me, I just say, oh, dear, or fly 18, you want me and then you acquire more body. Into dear than the papa, maybe Grimmer Kuchaka, mammy. And then I
digest see
the 5 nutrients in a woman in your view. Painting behind me. I see. Are you
serious? Dog, you better not ya coaching Katuaba. Yabana Yatuasu. After 4 with ye call commercial break. You be buses here. And the Koswana shade you made no. May you free her. Yaba, Yaka and a dosu. Nipidria and Winsim, Yabasia.
Yo, Ashafo, Michemu ina de Bakasa Fidi so. Me a make us a from a Dr. George Donko, me na me da Noble Trustable Clinic, ano. Noble Trustable Clinic, ye de bi draw and ye de say are. Yare bia dunya, utu anamoba Noble Trustable Clinic. Ye de bi draw be hwa na bibia aye kama ama. We asue no, ya jaba suba de bebre, ya ji the best liver disease treatment center of the year 2018. Best alternative treatment center for heart disease and a most promising herbal center of the year. Oba Noble Trustable Clinic. Aside in dry edibabon na ebekma oyaria kono so. Ye san kire nuane a wudi ebeboa na ebe prevent yare from say ebeba betina wu. Wa ya share no ye ne ye twa scan. Ye twa ye ECG. Ye san share labs e wo ya share. Baby bia wo bia wutu anamo ba ayaresa ebe ye wodie. Na yare a yehwe anase yesa no ebi ye brebo mu ohaw kidney mu ohaw ɛna wowɔ stroke nso a wobɛtumi to anamo aba wowɔ diabetes awɔ na ɛhaw na fibroid na abɛtena wawodie mu ovarian cyst bɛrima yɛsɛ prostate no ayɛ kɛseɛ o prostate no ayɛ enlarge prostatitis anaasɛ wowɔ premature ejaculation wotu anamo ba Noble Trust Herbal Clinic yɛde biduro ɛbɛboa wo wowɔ ɔhaw bi te sɛ hepatitis B ovarian cyst anaasɛ PCOS sɛ ɛba na akoma mu ɔhaw a Noble Trust Herbal Clinic yɛde bibiduro ɛna ɛsa yɛba akoma mu ɔhaw yɛwɔ ahodoɔ bebree yɛwɔ ebi a ɛfa sɛdeɛ akoma no ne fesuo ɛteɛ ɛno no yɛfrɛ no structural heart disease ɛno no ɛmbi a wakoma no yɛsi ayɛ kɛseɛ srade abɛtetare ho anaasɛ valve na ɛwɔ mu no ɛpono na ɛwɔ akoma no mu no ebi ayɛ weak enti emogya no etumi tena akoma no mu na ɛma akoma no ɛyɛ kɛseɛ na ɛma akoma no so bɔ ntɛm wotu anamo ba a yɛbɛtumi aboa wo hwehwɛ yɛkyerɛ kwan a yɛwɔ Banana Inn Abolo Junction baabi bia wɔ biara sɛ wowɔ within Accra wofa car bɛsi circle Tema Station Carnation anaasɛ Dansuma last stop Accra Salaga wobɛnya Banana Inn car hɔ kasa wobɛsi wɔ Abolo Junction wosi a frɛ wɔ number 0244 40 1929 0244 40 1929 and that's 0267 117 666 0267 117 666 and that's 0244 40 1878 0244 40 1878 so we outside Accra so we fa car besi circle baby bia we be fa car besi circle and I say Tema Station ubenya Banana Inn car within Accra so ye delivery inti se wo friends so a ye betumi deliver our product no e dia bro baby bia
na ye bana ya toa ye topic aye diabetes eso we de ye nche kra ye beko Dr. George Donko na ye ne no atoa so sisia ewi a e be din komodo
yo nti se eba diabetes se de ye kan ye didie e play major role so wo diabetes
edidie
apart from ndro no se wo ndro bi so a I will say we continue we will consult with doctor because you know you how offer especially say omo insulin we want insulin it mean our cells veins no it mean cancer it will lead into other complications say heart disease near yes
okay all right so is your be let me say you hu near my diabetes about science they may be a dead in my who say nipa way over diabetes
okay kako
yan she say is here an obi wo house ya Noble Trust when it has so be ana
yes you were treatment yema obia or diabetes e we share first of all you share complications at the aba okay na yes complications na no fe you treat diabetes no so aka yes I do to edru so said am din kan say so we share diabetes treatment now you share free pancreas no said they produce insulin and if you share cells no so said they ever accept sugar now the peduani here because the cells na accept sugar now the peduani here no say we energy level no I shall say drop even though sugar no a dose so yes I the mount na bibia e come na yes diabetes nkwanso na ehwe ho you share your full to say liver disease, stroke, heart problems, fibroid,
menstrual disorder.
Yes.
Ni nyina.
You share ni now.
Nti obi wo ohawa. Awe bia November Noble Trust Herbal Clinic. But Noble Trust Herbal Clinic away.
You are Accra Banana Inn. Accra Banana Inn, Abolo Junction, upon the wall. Nti ebe danso man any man prodi
in between.
Nti oba ye adwuma free Juada kosi memreda.
Monday to Saturday.
Ye adwuma every 8 a.m.
Anopa
ekosi 4:30 p.m.
Okay. No watching. Eko
no 9 m.
We ayasemude. Ebusia wonim obi na owo hawia. Eye diabetes bia Fanico Noble Trust na yenhwe no. Doctor, ye pe o number na ye ne wo akasa wo so a. Number be na ye be frɛ wo esiso.
Okay, nti me number ubetumi afra me a me pick anasa me no be kasa no. Eno na ye 0267 117
666
0267 117
666.
But other office line now is between 0244 40 1929 0244 40
1929. Doc, MSN topic. I treat diabetes no. Yedibisi anu say.
You listen to us
one. Yami aduma. Big broad and big topic. Enema bebree wo my besan ahwe ewo diabetes. Topic emubiem. Paul, yes sorry o.
Yeah. Yeah, that's that mo share yen ewo TV so mo share on Facebook ne or social media handles ni na kan me prayer bulldozer be a friend of Ben I see you do any bulldozer.
Wow.
Very, 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 very powerful.
Okay.
The moon say, I won't share, I won't send you questions in the moon as will be a Noble Trust. Oh, yeah,
sure.
Only scapra. Catch a doctor says, you need to capra, bra.
Sanity, it's a usher for a the movie and will say, Yami had one next week. You will sign a banner, any more Aberdeen Comobi. But my Murray fee say a year Noble Trust TV and so a month. So we'll call YouTube. Now wait me I searching Noble Trust. Noble Trust near NOBLE and TRUST. Noble Trust now the TV account. Who we are now was subscribing. No was share ama obia. Na bribia betimi akọ platform yi so akosua de. Topics are treaty every man share dwumedi ase nyina ewo ho. Enne dia ye ewo ho. Enne dia aka nyina tiko ho na kosua bebre. Ebeda ase se unya amre. Nim said that ne na me be bi kwan mu ama yesen hia bi. Me dey e di otiekuba King Collins. Me ne Paul Sika Dalton and e di dwumedi ebro. Eye memini de bia Dr. George Donko our Noble Trust Herbal Clinic no and na abribia oba ene eba ebisua de. Yeda mu nyina ase munhwe fie yi emaye. Nyame adoma next week ye be sign e hia bi. Ya pomoden yikrem ya pomoden ya som.